If you're looking for the best Linux course on Coursera, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll share the top 3 Linux courses based on ratings, popularity, industry credibility, and overall learning value. Before we begin, if you decide to enroll, check the discount link in the description. It can help you save on a Coursera Plus subscription, which is often a much better value than buying individual courses. My number 1 pick is Hands-On Introduction to Linux Commands and Shell Scripting by IBM. It has a strong 4.6-star rating from about 1,800 reviews. You'll learn Linux commands, shell scripting, file management, and core Linux administration skills. It's beginner-friendly and backed by IBM, making it a great starting point for IT, DevOps, cloud, or cybersecurity careers. The second recommendation is Tools of the Trade, Linux and SQL by Google. This course has an excellent 4.8-star rating with more than 6,000 reviews. It teaches Linux and SQL together, making it ideal for IT support, data, and cybersecurity learners. Since it's created by Google, it also adds strong credibility to your learning path. My third pick is Linux Fundamentals by LearnQuest. It has a 4.5-star rating and covers Linux servers, Ubuntu, command line basics, and shell scripting. It's perfect if you want a solid foundation before moving into advanced Linux administration or DevOps. Here's why Coursera Plus is worth considering. A single learning program usually costs between $49 and $79 per month. If you plan to take multiple Linux, cloud, DevOps, or cybersecurity courses, those costs add up quickly. Coursera Plus gives you access to thousands of eligible courses, specializations, professional certificates, guided projects, and hands-on labs with one subscription. You can earn unlimited certificates and switch between courses without paying for each one separately. If you're serious about building Linux skills and learning beyond one course, Coursera Plus offers much better long-term value. If you'd like to save on your subscription, check the discount link in the description before you enroll.